Pisano and Matsubara final. This is original 1974 issue kit. It is unsealed. The only part that was actually missing was the oil filter mounts. This is an extremely difficult kit to complete. The biggest problem, a lot of water spots there. The biggest problem being its age. Everything that you took off of the sprues, you had to cut very, very, very carefully, because the plastic was the consistency of pretzels. You would cut in one area, and then where it joined the sprue in another area, it would just crack right off. Like these headers all broke off, and I cut one pipe off. That header just absolutely shattered completely across the cutting off one header, or one sprue. Decals are clearly trashed, so for that I got Chuck Boener at Chuck's Model Decals to print out a set, and these are in every way superior to the kit, and far, far superior to another supplier that I tried to use, but that it was completely impossible to use his equipment, or his sheet. Texas 3Ds did the rear slicks, the wrinkles, and supplied the Goodyear decals. Almost all of my wiring, with the exception of the plug wires, which are from Model Master, is pretty much all done with sewing supplies. My fuel connectors are all done with beads. My lines are all elasticized cord. The barrel valves are just brass beads that are glued together. Oh, the seat belts were done by oh my gosh, an Etsy guy. I'll put it in the comments. I can't remember his name offhand. I'm sorry about that, bud. I got VGCresins in here somewhere. This was a lot of fun to build, but extremely, extremely challenging. I'm very, very happy with it. Do your own parachutes. Golly. Because the kits look like crap.